We all know that there was a time in India's recent past when the biggest names in the business were quietly not paying back their loans. Airlines, infra giants, and the real estate empires, they borrowed thousands of crores and defaulted with a straight face. Some claimed project delays, some blamed government, and some just simply vanished. And the banks, they were too scared to speak because the borrowers were too powerful to touch. So between 2012 to 2017, things got so ugly that gross NPA level shot up to 11% of public bank. Some PSU bank had more bad loans than the good ones, and banks CEOs were removed, loan books were exposed, and the banking system were kind of collapsed. It was so bad that RBI had to launch a cleanup drive. An entire generation of a PSU bank was recapitalized with the taxpayers' money. Like 3 lakh crore was pumped into the system just to keep them breathing. So it was not just a financial crisis, it was a credibility crisis. People stopped trusting banks, investors dumped PSU banking stocks, and private banks started charging premiums for just being clean. But recently, something incredible just happened. For the first time in nearly 20 years, India's NPA ratio, the share of loans that bank cannot recover, it has dropped to 2.3%, not 5%, not 10%. It has dropped to 2.3%. But if you still don't know what's NPA, let me explain. NPA, non-performing assets, are loans which borrowers has stopped repaying interest or principal for 90 days or more. It's a money that bank is not earning from and might never recover. So how does it really shape banking industry? So when NPAs are high, banks stop lending aggressively. They become risk averse, credit growth lowers, and the smaller businesses, startups, and MSME don't get capital that easily. So the entire financial system slows down. But when NPAs fall, like recently what happened, banks regain the confidence to lend more. They can use capital more effectively, and stronger return on asset and net interest margin you will see. So this number may sound technical, but this is the cleanest report card India's banking system has received in decades. It means banks are finally lending more responsibly. It means that recoveries are working. It means financial system for once is not bleeding quietly in the background, hopefully.